Now I am reviewing the OnePlus pad. The display of this pad 11.61-inch IPS LCD 1 billion color of the display of this pad. Dolby Vision, the refresh rate of the display of this pad 144 Hz 500 nits types. The screen to body ratio 84.2%. The resolution of the display 2000 by 2800 pixel. The PPI density 296. The operating system Android OS Oxygen 13.1. Chipset MediaTek Dimensity 9004 nm. The CPU octa-core in the GPU Mali G710MC10. The memory of this pad card slot is not available. The internal memory are available 128 GB and 8 GB RAM 2FSF 3.1. The main camera is a single camera. The feature of the main camera of this pad LED flash. The video of the main camera of this pad 4K into 30 fps, 1080p into 30 fps Gyro EIS. The selfie camera of this pad is also single camera of this pad. The video of the selfie camera 1080p into 30 fps. Now I am telling about the sound of this pad. Low speaker is available with the stereo speaker and 4 speakers are available after this pad. The 3.5mm jack is not available. The Wi-Fi of this pad Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band. The Bluetooth 5.3 A2DP LE. NFC is not available. The FM radio is also not available after this pad. The charging port of this pad USB Type-C 2.0 OTG SSL connector. The battery of this pad 9510 non-removable. The charging 67W wire. The network technology of this pad cellular is not connectivity are available after this pad. The line data was announced after this pad 7 February 2023. The SIM is not available after this pad. The S Pen is also supported after this pad. There are a different price are available after this pad. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablets, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablets, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.